Hey, it's Mr. Allred. We've been doing exponential functions. We've talked about recently interest functions and the continuous interest function. So just to remind you what that looks like, it is P of t equals P times e raised to the r times t. Okay. So we got a couple practice problems here. Hal puts $4,000 in a CD that earns 4.8% interest compounded continuously. He forgets about the account. His son discovers the account 27 years later when he starts managing his father's finances. What would the account be worth? So we're making a lot of assumptions here, but let's just kind of pull out the stuff we know. P, in this case, the original value is 4,000. That's the starting amount. The R, 4.8%, so that's 0.048 when we turn it into a decimal. And the T in this case that we're plugging in is 27 years. So simple calculator exercise, P of 27 equals 4,000 times E raised to the 0.048 times 27. So I'm going to pick up my calculator and see what this gives me. So 4,000 times E raised to the 0.048 times 27. And if you don't know how to plug that in, or you don't get the same answer, reach out or make sure you go back and look at the videos dealing with the calculator and how to enter these things. But it looks like we've got now, after 27 years, $14,618.60. Okay, took a while, but worth considerable more, although it was a long time. All right, the next one here, we'll go ahead and write down the formula. Since it's going to, I already know we're going to use the same formula. P of t equals P, the starting amount, times e raised to the r times t. So let's read the problem. Melvin sells his house and makes a profit of $23,000. He puts the money in an account that earns 6.3% continuous interest for 3 years before he decides to purchase a new home. How much is in the new account when he needs it? So let's identify the pieces we have. P, our starting amount, is $23,000. That's how much profit he made that he's putting in the bank, investing. R here is 6.3%, so as a decimal, that's 0.063. And the time here, 3 years. So let's plug all that in. P of 3 for 3 years equals 23,000 times E raised to the 0.063 times 3. So I'm going to put that in the calculator and see what we have. I have 27,784 and 94 cents. So that is what comes back on the continuous interest investment here. Thank you.